Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you send money from Payoneer to Wise. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your Payoneer account. So log into your Payoneer account. So if you want to send money to your Wise account, first you need to add your Wise account or link your VAT or your Wise account to your Payoneer first before you make any transaction. So how do you do that? It's pretty simple. It's the same process like how you add your bank account. So click on banks and cards here on your left, and then here where you normally add your bank account, you simply click on add a bank account, because instead of bank account you're just going to add your Wise account. So choose all these. All right, so click on next. So choose the country and everything, click on next. So under account details, what you're going to do is go to your Wise, and then select your Wise account details here. So you're going to use your Wise account details and then put it here, and then add your Wise account to your Payoneer. So once you've added this, so this it needs to get approved from Payoneer. So once Payoneer approved it, then you should be able to see this your Wise account under your bank account. So like how I have my local account, you should also have your Wise account here. So once you get that it's approved, then it should pop up here. Once that's done, the next step we're going to do is just simply transfer the money. So you can click on withdraw and transfer, and then click on withdraw to bank, and then instead of our local bank, we are just going to withdraw it to our Wise account. So select from where you want to send it, and then from account, and then your to account will be your Wise account. So once you have added your Wise account, it will pop up, it will show up here. So you just click on it, and then you can enter the amount and then proceed with the transaction. So in that way you will able to transfer money or send money from your Pioneer account to your Wise account. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.